Made it through the struggle.
Got it off the muscle. Wanted Gucci on my buckle, so I had to hustle. Stomach growling like a lion. I was really hungry.
What's Gucci, and welcome back to Gucci Made It. So in today's video, we are going to be making hall passes. So I am returning back in person. This was starting the year off in person. So I need hall passes. So you also can use these for if you have an event. So you can use these for like a pop-up shop. So for your vendors, so you know who your vendors are, who your customers are. A good way to navigate that. You can also use these in whatever way you see fit. So first things first, what you are going to need is copy paper, a laminator, thermal laminating sheets, and I'm using my Cricut. So you can also cut it out if you want to. But yeah, so let's jump right into this tutorial. So now what you're going to do is you can just search on Google ID badge SVG is what I searched up, and I found this image here. So this is the first method. So you're just going to download this and open it up and upload it to Design Space. Once you upload it into Design Space, you're going to go to Complex. You're going to hit Continue. Hold on. Yeah, hit Continue. Then you're going to come up here where it says select and erase, and you're going to hit that to get rid of the background. So you see, and then also in the middle here so that your Cricut will cut it. So try and get as much as this as you can. If you more gray area as you can. That looks pretty good. Okay. So you're going to hit continue. So now you have your shape. So we are going to use it as a cut image. You're going to hit upload. And you're going to insert it, and then you're going to resize it. So I'm going to resize it to, let's see, maybe like 3. It won't be too big. Let's see how big it is. Let's go to make it. See how it look on the map. Oh, I think it's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna leave it that size. So, let's cancel. Yep. Okay, so we have that. So that's the first way, and the easier way. So then the other way you can do it is go to Shapes, click Square, and we're gonna do it. Let's do. When I was looking on Etsy, they were doing them like 2.3 by like 3.13. Yeah, so they're doing around this size. So how you're gonna get their little cutout shape is go click back square again, unlock it, resize it. Looks pretty good. And then let's place it here. Let me zoom in. Place it here. Make it a little smaller. It looks pretty good. So that is 0.954 by 0.373. So I'm gonna leave it there. Gonna select it all together, and then we're gonna slice it. And there you go. So that's another way that you can make an ID badge shape. So let's see. I think I want to go with Let's see. Let's see what y'all think. You want to go with this little shape that I made or this one? Let's just go with that one. So I'm going to go with that one. Okay. So now I want to make mine as Bitmoji. So I uploaded my Bitmojis here. So let me show you how you can remove the background from your Bitmojis. So, okay, so let's go with this one. So you're going to hit complex. And then it's already selected. The race is already selected. So let's get rid of that background. And I don't want this because I want to look like, oh, like they're running to the office or something. And so I'm going to crop it. Crop it again. That's off. That's not bad. Okay. So then I'm going to hit select and erase again. Let's just make it easier for me to get rid of some of the bigger pieces. So let's zoom in. And so you can just keep clicking on it, or you just take the eraser and get as close as you can. And I'm gonna leave this like it's kicking up dust from running. Okay, dot. Hit continue. And that looks pretty good. So this is going to be a print and cut image. So yeah, so that's how you can get rid of that. I already done most of mine here. Okay, so let's go with this one first. Gonna insert it. And so I think, I don't know if I want the background of these cards to be white or a different color. Maybe let's do pink. Let's make it pink. So click on advanced, go to like a fuchsia pink. Okay. And I didn't get this one as good. As far as cleaning up the background how I would like to, but that's fine. And so I'm just gonna write. Let's put it up here. Let's center it up. Okay. So I'm just gonna put go to system. I do, and another tip, do not pay for Cricut fonts. Just use the font. So DAFONT, and get whatever font that you want. Like, let me show you my favorite, which is part of my logo that I use. It's like a Powerpuff Girls font. Where is it? Hold on. So like this one right here. Get them from the font. Okay, do not pay. You save your money. So I'm just put that here and change. Oops, how did I do that? Color that one. I like the yellow. Okay. I'm liking it. I may change it, but okay. So you get the gist of it, right? So then, let me duplicate this. I'm gonna do 4 passes. Okay. Yeah. So let's do. always pass. Change the font. Let's see. Is there such thing as a manly font? Or just simple? I want to center it. So you can come up and align it. Yeah. Okay. I don't like it. Standard. Still just basic black. Resize it. Come on, Cricut. So let's do it like that. Okay, we looking like something. Okay, let's do office. I do that one. Let's do this one white. White or yellow? Okay. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. So let's have office. So don't keep that font. Let's do a different one. Do you like that one? Okay. Let's change it. Let's color on it. Let's do brown. Let's make it a little darker. Yeah. Okay. So then let's do nurse. Okay. Let's do the other one I was looking at. I'm gonna put my name on here somewhere. Just don't know it. Okay. I like that font. So let's see. I don't know what color. I've got pink, red. Let's do green. Thank you so much for tuning in to Gucci Made It. And I hope that you will subscribe and let me know in the comments what video you would like to see next. And thank you.